Come on along. Oh, wow. Boy, ain't that beautiful? Had to look around. That's a crack through somebody else's plate. Wow. You know, when I feel back here, I don't think they did the original frame, so I gotta go deep, deep. Right, Kyle? Did you ever hear that old saying? I like to go swimming with bow-legged women and dive between their legs.
Yeah.
Look what I found. Cracky. Garbage. Gotta go deep. Gotta go deep. You know what? Who are you talking to? The camera? Okay. I'm gonna go over here and talk to the camera. Okay. What's going on here? Got a
You
secret.
didn't get a video of this beautiful well.
I just was, haha. That's some of your best work ever. So, I gotta tell you a story, a secret. If you're in Wisconsin, every Thursday, they're in the gas stations everywhere around here. They squeak when you chew them. They make your teeth squeak and your ears squeak. Cheese curds. If you ain't never had them, get some. But they're only when they're fresh. They come, it's only about 10 miles from us where they make them. That's my lunch. Cheese! Right?
What?
I was showing everybody what a cheese curd is across the world. DuPont. They're right. They make that. Not only do they make paint, chemicals, they make cheese. DuPont?
DuPont cheese.
Wrong. What is it called, DuPont? Because it's in the town of DuPont. Township.
Best damn cheese curd you ever.
They're good. They squeak when you eat them. Are you done with that welder yet? Oh, hey, now that's some good work, boy.
Told you.
Well, I can retire now.
You know I did that one.
Yeah, whatever.
Good.
All right. I gotta show my, yeah. I got her all prepped. Wow. Look at that. I gotta turn this camera so I can see what I'm showing you. Isn't that nice? It's in the original frame, that deep. You see the crack and the blue mark? You see the blue mark? That means I'm just about through the steel. When I do my vertical, that'll blow right through and be 100% weld all the way. You can even see the mark where this plate is. It's about a 1-inch plate. So I'm gonna weld that up. And ain't gonna break no more. Actually, I found the crack went all the way down into there. So, Kyle's using electricity at the moment. So, what do you think of that? I'm just gonna eat my cheese curd. It's like a mouse. I'm telling you, they make your head squeak, your teeth squeak. That's where they get the squeaky clean from. You get to Wisconsin, you gotta get them. Okay, bye. Say that again?
These eco logs are neat.
Yeah,
The suspension in one step.
that's how they're stacked, man. Oh, there she is, done. You'll see in a second why I did this. I started in that groove, went all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. There's probably 30 passes in there. She's hot. I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna clean her all up. The hoses rub on there, so I gotta make sure that's rounded inside. And then blend this stuff in underneath. Yeah, that was about 2 inches deep. Wow. So, I'll bring it back when she's ground. Wow. There it is, all done. Blend it, that's hot. That's it. Eco Frog. Let's try hooking her back up. We're gonna get her out of here then, huh? What?
Well done this, I guess.
I'm not welding on anything else. What's wrong with that?
Crack's not good,
Oh,
I suppose. That's what he says.
okay. This a lowrider, Holmes?
Pop her off, big nuts.